ATV storage racks securely carry tools, gear, and supplies, maximizing cargo space for every outdoor adventure. Today's video is about top 5 best ATV storage racks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Orcish ATV storage racks. The Orcish ATV rear drop cargo basket is a sturdy and practical upgrade for anyone who needs extra storage on the trail. Made from heavy-duty steel with a protective coating, it provides a durable platform for carrying camping gear, hunting equipment, tools, coolers, and other essentials. The mesh design helps keep cargo secure, even over rough terrain, while multiple tie-down points add extra stability. I like that it includes 2 different hardware sets, making it compatible with a wide range of ATV and UTV rack designs. Installation may require some DIY adjustments depending on your vehicle, but the flexible mounting options are a real advantage. The basket can also be mounted in different positions for added convenience. With proper care to prevent surface rust, it should provide reliable long-term performance. Overall, it's a rugged, spacious, and versatile cargo basket that offers excellent value for outdoor enthusiasts and hard-working ATV owners. Now our second product is Titan Ramps ATV Storage Racks. This ATV cargo basket is a durable and practical solution for carrying extra gear on every ride. Built from heavy-duty steel, it feels solid and is designed to handle rugged trails and demanding outdoor use. The impressive 150-pound weight capacity makes it ideal for transporting tools, coolers, camping equipment, hunting gear, and other essentials with confidence. I especially like the mesh design, which allows dirt and debris to fall through while keeping cargo secure, making cleanup much easier after off-road adventures. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included mounting hardware, and it fits most tubular ATV and UTV racks without much hassle. The spacious dimensions provide plenty of storage without making the vehicle feel bulky or overcrowded. Overall, this cargo basket offers an excellent combination of strength, convenience, and functionality, making it a worthwhile accessory for anyone who needs reliable extra storage on the trail or around the farm. Our third product is Boar ATV Storage Racks. The Boar ATV Rear Lounger is an excellent combination of comfort and functionality for long trail rides. The generously padded seat, lumbar support, and upper backrest provide a comfortable ride for passengers, making extended trips much more enjoyable. What really sets it apart is the built-in storage system, offering approximately 2 cubic feet of space for tools, gear, snacks, or emergency supplies. The lockable lower compartment adds extra security for valuable items, while the upper storage bin is conveniently accessible without leaving the seat. Installation is simple thanks to its universal compatibility with most tubular ATV racks, and all mounting hardware is neatly included. The integrated stainless steel lock and keys provide added peace of mind when leaving your ATV unattended. Built with both comfort and practicality in mind, this rear lounger is a smart investment for ATV owners who want secure storage and a more comfortable riding experience on every adventure. Now number 4, Kemimoto ATV Storage Racks. The Kemimoto ATV Cargo Bag is a well-designed storage solution that combines durability, comfort, and convenience. Its 85L modular capacity offers plenty of room for camping gear, tools, and outdoor essentials, while the detachable 15L insulated cooler keeps drinks and snacks cold during long rides. The quick-fit metal support frame is a standout feature, helping the bag maintain its shape even when fully loaded. Made from rugged 840D tier and water-resistant fabric, it stands up well to rough trails, and the included rain and dust cover adds extra protection. The padded seat, supportive backrest, and rider strap make passenger rides more comfortable and secure. I also appreciate the zipper-free flip lid, which provides quick access without worrying about broken zippers, while reflective strips improve visibility in low-light conditions. Compatible with most ATVs without drilling, this cargo bag is a practical, high-quality accessory for outdoor adventures and everyday utility. And our last choice is Tusk ATV Storage Racks. The Tusk Trail Runner ATV Rear Bag is a practical and well-built storage solution for riders who need extra cargo space. With a generous 56L capacity spread across 3 large compartments, it keeps tools, riding gear, and outdoor essentials organized and easy to access. The zipperless design is a standout feature, offering quick access while avoiding the wear and tear that traditional zippers often experience. I also like the removable cooler bag, which holds up to 8 12-ounce cans, making it perfect for keeping drinks cold during long rides. The integrated mall attachment points and included water bottle holder add extra versatility for carrying additional gear. Its compact yet spacious design fits well on most ATV rear racks without feeling bulky. Overall, this rear bag is durable, thoughtfully designed, and ideal for trail riding, hunting, camping, or everyday ATV use, making it an excellent investment for riders who value convenience and organization. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.